Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make law of attraction and manifestation videos, and I actually talk about positivity. Okay, well, now it is, I don't know why I feel that now this word positivity is getting very boring. Okay, we need to have some kind of interesting stuff so that which it can actually make us really positive from inside. First of all, guys, I will tell you, first of all, you do not have to force yourself for any kind of positivity creation. Then you will go on into, then you will drag yourself more into negativity. Okay, you will drag into actually you will drag yourself into so much lower vibration. You do not have to do that. To feel positive from inside, there are a lot of things you can do. One and the best, first and the best thing you can do is self-love. And guys, in this video I am actually going to share some tips what you can do, okay, from my life, what I do for self-love practice. Okay, you can get idea from these things also, or you can find your own self-love method. Okay, self-love tips. Okay, these are very easy. Okay, sometimes my clients say that, okay, I tried to remain positive yesterday, but it was all like I was trying to control my thoughts. No, you do not have to control your thoughts. When you are busy in some interesting stuff, you do not have to control your negative thoughts. It will dissolve by itself. Okay, the negative thought will dissolve by itself when you are busy in some other interesting stuff. It is actually possible. It happens with me. So I actually give these kind of tips to my clients, and they actually work on that, and they have got great result. The screenshot again in this video, the screenshots of all the success stories, all the success stories are on my Instagram account. Okay, Manifest with Sneha. Okay, you can go and check the success stories of my clients. They are happy, and I am more than happy. Okay, and guys, first of all, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel so that you can get more interesting videos of law of attraction, manifestation, and how you can remain positive. Okay, I am sharing mine. Okay, you can find out what you like for your self-love. It can be different for you because you are from different surrounding, you have different upbringing, you have different nature, different character. Okay, you find something better, you can find something better which I don't like, you can find it boring which I like. Okay, so yes, first thing I like is reading spiritual books. This book, I love it. Okay, this book is written by Sadhguru, and this is all about death, the process of death, and this is quite interesting. Someone actually asked me, what books exactly you like? Okay, I said spiritual. So he said, okay, then you like non-realistic things, non-realistic books. I said, no, this is exactly the reality, and you need to know that. Okay, so yes, spiritual books. First is Death from Sadhguru. Oh, this is my favorite. And I have put so many, feathers. I love it. Okay, this is autobiography of a yogi. Okay, then meditation book, Shakti Gavan. I have actually put a video also, a guided meditation of Shakti Gavan's meditation book. Okay, that actually guided meditation is from this book only. Okay, this is actually I want to say that this is totally on being present in this moment. Okay, this is by Osho. Okay, you need to watch Osho's videos on love and pain, guys. Most of the time when you are manifesting, you are in attachment and not love. Okay, you need to work on that. Joseph Murphy's book, Believe in Yourself. These books I have read. The Miracles of the Mind. These books are on how you can actually manifest miracles according, through the mind. Okay, so yes, you need to, these are the books, and these two I have to complete. Okay, I am a non-reader. Can you imagine? I am a non-reader, but I still love to read these books, spiritual books. These are actually, I am experiencing reality according to this. Okay, so yes, whatever is fit in your subconscious mind, it happens. It is not a miracle. There is a science behind it. Okay, you need to go on reading Conversation with God, and I love it. Okay, and I actually recommend all of my viewers and clients to go through all the 3 books of Conversation with God. And I am happy that I am experiencing miracle. I thought it is a miracle, and people actually who don't really exactly understand how law of attraction is working, they feel it is a miracle. But no, I can say that this is the game of your mind, your subconscious mind. You can manifest anything you want. It has, your emotion has frequency. Okay, so first is, yes, reading spiritual books. Second, of course, this is very important, working on my career. Okay, working on my career plans, working on exactly, I am a YouTuber, how important information and what important information I can pass to you. Okay, it can be important to you, it can be beneficial for me too. Okay, when it is important, when I am giving you valuable product, okay, it will be important for you too and me too. Okay, it will be successful for me too. Yes. Third is, yes, I have personal manifestation guidance program, in which there are a lot of clients taking personal guidance from me, and you can also take it. Okay, it's updated fees. WhatsApp manifestation program updated fees is 666 rupees only for 1 month, and you can join my Facebook manifestation group program also. It's fees of 2 months, because it is a group and there are a lot of members. Okay, if you feel comfortable sharing your manifestation issue in the group with a lot of people, you can join the Facebook group, and its 2-month fees is 333. I am constantly working on these programs, and I am giving my efforts, and I love it. I love to guide people. Fourth is, I love singing. Though I have not learned, I have not taken any, I have not studied about anything about singing, but I love it. I love comedy shows. Yes, mostly I do not watch TV, but I really watch Kapil Sharma show. Okay, yes, comedy. I love to laugh. Who doesn't love to laugh? Yes, I can say there are people who actually want to play victim, and they, I don't know, there are actually, can you imagine, there are people who want to play victim, and they can say, okay, I feel sorry for my life, I feel there are a lot of problems. No, there are only problems created here. There are only solutions. Next point is, I love clothing. Okay, so as I am a fashion designer for self-love also, in fact, Silai is my brand. Okay, and I design for people, my clients also. For self-love, I design mostly for me too. Okay, next point is, I love writing self-love affirmations. Okay, in my next video I will definitely share what self-love affirmation I use for myself, but yes, any positive sentence for yourself you can write. Okay, and this is called self-love affirmation. Affirmation is affirming that yes, this is right. Okay, so yes, I use self-love affirmation most of the time, and I love writing it. Okay, because it gives my energy into it. Okay, I have made simple posters on affirmations, which gives me positivity every time I see it. Okay, where I have actually put it on the wall, and on in a side where whenever I wake up, my eyes go straight on that. Okay, so yes, I have made self-love posters also, I have made money posters also, I have made every kind of posters, positive posters. Okay, on switch words and affirmations mostly. And the last point, okay, I do meditation, deep breathing meditation. 4-second inhale you have to do, Okay, now second 7 seconds hold of the breathe and 8 seconds exhale. Okay, this gives immense relaxation in your mind. Okay, this is deep breathing practice. Whenever I feel anxiety or tension, I do it, and it actually helps me out to be calm and relaxed. We are surrounded by different kind of frequencies and different kind of vibration of people. We don't know from where they are coming today. Okay, and they actually come and meet with our vibration, and if they are contradictory, okay, if they are very low and you are very high, and sometimes it can happen that it happens with me when somebody is very negative. I don't know why it happens, but automatically it actually happens that I actually start going low. Then in this case, what I do, I take deep breathing, 4 seconds of inhale, 7 seconds of hold, and 8 seconds of exhale. Okay, it actually gives immense calmness and relaxation. It helps. You need to try. Okay, you need to try. Okay, and yes guys, there are different kinds of meditations. I am actually going to make videos on meditation also. There are mindfulness, there are body movement, there are visualization meditation. I am going to speak about in another video, because this video is going to be, I guess, very long, because my self love list was very long. Okay, I am sorry for that, but this is actually example for many of you that what you can do for your self love, so that you can be diverted from the manifestation, so that you can let go of the manifestation, and in between no negativity enters. There can be a clear space for your manifestation to come, and no other confusing and contradictory thought. These self-love things will definitely help you focus on yourself. Sit down and focus on yourself in silence, to watch exactly what you do in your life and what you love to do, and do that. Okay, any way you can do, guys. These are only examples I am sharing. I'm not sure if this is going to help you, but your self-love list will definitely help you. I hope I have made you clear in this video that yes, self-love is very much important. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me.